This is a Sleep Number wired bed controller. As you can see, part of the numbers are missing. I've tried a couple of them already. We've actually got two beds. I fixed two of them, and I just wanted to give you a rundown on how this works. Several guys on YouTube have done this, and it was very successful. I'm going to do this with a hair dryer, and I'll show you that. And I just wanted to show you from start to finish how I did it. And I just used two screwdrivers. The first one, I'm just going to go in on the side and just gently, there's little sections here, there's little holes. As you flip it open, you can see. So you just do that gently, then flip it on the other side. Clip those open. I'm trying to be gentle so I don't tear it up. This bed is at least 10 years old, and both of these controllers have gotten to the part where they won't show where your numbers are. It's a little stubborn. I had to use a bigger screwdriver. Just keep working your way around, and then it'll come open. Just want to be gentle. What I've done, I've taken this whole controller out, set this other part to the side, and I've used a towel as a work surface here, and this is still plugged in to the bed. Left it right here. I didn't have to pull anything apart for the controller. Other than pulling the controller apart, I didn't have to unhook it from the bed. Just wanted to do it this way so that it didn't really disrupt too much, and it's fairly quick. So I've got a Conair 1875. It's my wife's hair dryer, and I just put it on high. As you can see, the liquid crystal starts to get black. So I've just taken the towel edge, bring it over, and just push down on the connectors. Here, that's what some of the other guys in the other videos said to do. Then I've also pushed down a little bit lightly on the screen. The last one I did, I only needed one pass and it fixed it. How long it'll last, I have no idea. Hopefully it'll last. I mean, I've been probably 5 years since it hasn't worked anyway. The bed's 10 years old. So I just push down on the connectors. Just very gently. I don't want to mess anything up. Everything on the back looks okay. This hairdryer happens to have a cooling feature, so I just, because you can feel it, it's warm. So what I do is cool it down. There, cool air's coming out now. Okay, now what we can do, pay attention, you just put this on top here and test it. As you can see, The bottom of the tin probably needs to be worked on a little bit more. Yeah, so the bottoms. So I'll do it one more time and we'll see how that goes. So now I'll try to cool it down. Alright, so I've cooled it down, so let's try it one more time, see how it goes. There you go. So it appears to be back to working again. So you just redo it the same way that you had to put it back together. Just slide that back in. Set it in there like that. Just be gentle going around. And all the numbers are back working again. Let's hope it works. This is just an updated version, and this has the wired. It's just an updated version from some of the other ones that are on YouTube. And it does work. Just a little bit of patience, and it takes no time at all to get it done. Didn't have to pull anything apart other than the controller. Didn't have to pull it from underneath the bed. Everything seemed to work okay. So let's see how this works.